Hey, it's Katie with WTI, and this funky little cat tower behind me is my cat's favorite thing to climb up on and take a nap. This is a cat tower by TQEW, and we have loved having it in our home. What I like the most about it is that it is a very small footprint. I like that I can fit this in a corner up against a wall, and it actually goes with the decor in the room, so I don't have to worry about looking at it and thinking, wow, that's really annoying to have in my house, but my cat loves it, so I guess I'll keep it. It was so simple to put together, and I love that you can adjust the size of it. We have a really weird ceiling height, so I was able to move things around and even follow the instructions on which columns to use to get the height that you need. It is very secure, and I do not have to worry one bit about this toppling over when my cat climbs on it. I can even go up to it and shake it, and it does not move. You are able to really adjust and get it nice and tight against your ceiling without having to use a single screw. I was really impressed that it even included some toys. We were able to get our cat interested in it right away to get her to climb even to the very top. She is up on here all the time digging her claws into it. I was really impressed with the sturdiness of it, with how adjustable it was based on different ceiling heights, and the attention to detail. And that's my point of view.